National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for eastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, western Tolland County in northern Connecticut, Windham County in northern Connecticut, extreme northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island, northern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, north central Middlesex County in northeast Massachusetts, Essex County in northeast Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chelmsford, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and 100 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Locations impacted include Springfield, Hartford, Newington, West Hartford, New Britain, Mansfield, East Hartford, Windham, Willimantic, Tolland, Southington, Berlin, Enfield, Windsor,